Good evening, you're with Blueprint Explosive Exclusive. I'm Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan. Viewers, the district of Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh has witnessed hectic action over the last few hours. A Samajwadi Party member of parliament is facing charges of power theft, and a part of his residence has now been demolished due to illegal construction. At the same time, the ASI has launched a fresh survey where 24 sites, including 19 wells, were inspected by the body. This comes on the same day that the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath reminded of the destruction of Hindu shrines in the past, be it Ayodhya, Kashi, Mathura or Sambhal. Clearly, Sambhal has become the epicenter of a fresh showdown between the NDA and the opposition. This evening, let's take a look at the three issues one by one. A day after the electricity was cut off at his residence after being caught red-handed for power theft, today bulldozers rolled on the illegal construction outside SP MP Ziaur Rahman Barq's house. A staircase that was leading to the house was illegally made over a drain, which was then demolished. Now, Barq is also facing a fine of 1 crore 91 lakh rupees for bypassing the meter. Feeling the heat for violating laws, yesterday his father, Mamlukur Rahman Barq, was caught threatening officials during the inspection at their residence. According to the FIR lodged by the Electricity Department, their inspection team found evidence of electricity theft, bypassing the meter, and confirmed illegal power use. Remember that this is the man whose house has 83 bulbs, 19 fans, 3 air conditioners, geysers, refrigerators and other appliances, and has been caught cutting corners in his electricity bill. Now guess how much does Akhilesh's man pay for using these facilities? Nothing. Yes, viewers, nothing. That's what Ziaur Rahman has paid in the last 6 months, and yet his party leaders call it a state conspiracy to target a Muslim MP. Listen into the war of words.
ये बीजेपी का मॉडल है, किसी के घर में छापा मार करके इस तरह का काम करते हैं। पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में सबसे ज्यादा बिजली को लेकर के गरीबों को परेशान किया जा रहा है। आपकी कोई सुनवाई नहीं है, अधिकारी उनके हैं।
भाजपा में कुछ भी संभव है, किसी भी राजनीतिक व्यक्ति को किसी भी हद तक जाके ये फंसा सकते हैं। भाजपा ने सारी मर्यादाएं तार-तार कर दी और बहुत ही नीचे स्तर पे जाके ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
Police is there, administration is there. They are able to work out such a petty thing. Political vendetta should not be a part to defame anybody, especially a person who has been elected.
सांसद रहते हुए और बिजली चोरी जैसी मतलब हरकत होना यह शर्मनाक है, और ये समाजवादी पार्टी से जो भी जुड़ा होता है उसके यही संस्कार होते हैं, उसके यही आचरण।
Meanwhile, 7 days after it was reopened today, the Archaeological Survey of India conducted carbon dating at the Sambhal temple that remained locked for 46 years. The inspection was carried out early morning discreetly. With a 4-member team overseeing this process, officials also conducted carbon dating and examined 5 pilgrimage sites in the vicinity, along with an inspection of 19 wells.
ASI ने आज सुबह से जो सर्वे है वो स्टार्ट किया था, और अभी 3:30 पर उनका सर्वे कंप्लीट हो गया है। उन्होंने कुछ कूपों का, नए मिले हुए मंदिर का और तीर्थों का सर्वे किया है, और जो भद्रकाश्रम है, स्वर्गदीप है, चक्रपाणी है और प्राचीन तीर्थ शमशान मंदिर समेत जो 19 कूप हैं, उन सभी का निरीक्षण उन्होंने किया। अलग अलग हैं, जैसे चतुर्मुख कूप है उसका निरीक्षण किया है, ये जो मोक्ष कूप है उनका किया है। तो जितने कूप थे उन सभी का एक बार कर लिया, क्योंकि पैमाइश उन्होंने कहा था वो करवा के हमने पहले रख ली थी ताकि किसी प्रकार की देरी नहीं।
Amidst all this, UP CM today raised the issue of historical injustice inflicted on Hindus. Yogi Adityanath cited examples of Hindu places of worship desecrated, destroyed, and in the middle of disputes. From Kashi to Mathura, Sambhal to Bhodshala, Yogi said that symbols of Hindu Astha have been repeatedly targeted, and that citizens should now be prepared to avoid a repeat of such injustices.
मैं पूछना चाहता हूं उन लोगों से, कौन वे लोग थे जिन्होंने देश के अंदर सनातन धर्म से जुड़े हुए उन मानबिंदुओं को नष्ट करने का काम किया था, और क्यों किया था, उसके पीछे की नीयत क्या थी? उसके पीछे की नियति अपने बर्बर कृत्यों को अंजाम देकर के पूरी धरती को नरक बनाने की साजिश का हिस्सा था, जिसके तहत कभी काशी में काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर, कभी अयोध्या में श्री राम जन्मभूमि, कभी मथुरा में श्री कृष्ण जन्मभूमि, कभी संभल में कल के अवतार की हरिहर भूमि नष्ट किया जाता है। जिन कारणों से इस देश को गुलामी की बेड़ियों को जूझने के लिए, झेलने के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा था, हमारे पवित्र धर्मस्थलों को अपमानित होना पड़ा था, वे फिर से न हो, ऐसी स्थिति पैदा हो, इसके लिए अभी से हर एक भारतवासी को तैयार होना होगा।
And on the same day, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat also red flagged the politicization of issues of Astha. Bhagwat said that some people seem to be trying to raise a new Mandir-related issues to build their political careers, and this is unacceptable.
तर आपल्या देशात याचं मॉडेल उभं करायचं म्हणजे ही हार्मनी आपल्या देशात असली पाहिजे. श्रद्धेचा आदर, त्यामुळे राम मंदिर झालं पाहिजे, ते होत आहे. हिंदूंची श्रद्धा असताना हिंदूंना वाटतं, परंतु असं केलं म्हणजे हिंदूमध्ये नेता होता येतं म्हणून, किंवा अतिरेकी भूतकाळाच्या ओझ्याच्या परिणामामुळे अतिरेकी तिरस्कार, द्वेष, शत्रुता, संशय याच्या पोटी रोज एक नवीन प्रकरण काढणे हे कसं चालेल? हे नाही चालणार.
Now, the opposition is seeing a dichotomy in these statements from SP to Congress. They've said that while Bhagwat has said was talked about not raking up new Mandir Masjid issues is welcome, the message from Yogi is in contradiction.
उन्होंने कहा कि हर मस्जिद के नीचे मंदिर न खोजें, देश में अव्यवस्था पैदा होगी, लेकिन उनके शिष्य ये बात मान नहीं रहे. ये दुखद बात है. ये जो सबसे बड़े नेता हों उनकी बात लोग न माने.
डॉक्टर मोहन भागवत जी बूढ़े हो चुके हैं. शेर बूढ़ा हो गया. शेर के पंजों में भी कोई जान नहीं बची है, क्योंकि जब भी आरएसएस के मुखिया बोलते हैं तब तब मुसलमानों पे हमले और बढ़ते हैं. अगर शेर बूढ़ा नहीं हुआ है तो कहिए आप मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश के फोन लगाकर कि इमीडिएट बंद करिए जितनी बदतमीजियां चल रही हैं मंदिर मस्जिद के नाम पे.
Let's take this across to our guest now. Joining us at the moment, we have Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, who's a BJP spokesperson. Rohit Agarwal is RLD spokesperson. Tariq Khan is spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. But we also have Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi, political analyst, joining us. Let me start first and foremost with Tariq Khan. Tariq Khan, here you have a member of parliament who has dozens of, electrical appliances. He's not paying any of it, in terms of electricity bills as the electricity department. And what's more, there's a portion of the construction of his which has also been demolished today. Big question is that all of this is happening in Sambhal.
Immediately,
of this member of parliament who's from your party, sir.
Immediately, those officers should be suspended immediately who were sitting at their home and has done nothing till today. If a house had been construction illegally, the officer should be suspended, and electricity department, XCN, JE, all of them should be suspended immediately. If CM will not do so, I'll say that it's a conspiracy. Simple.
What about your MP, sir? No responsibility he has to take?
No.
For his actions?
They should raise responsibility. Now, first officer should take responsibility, then I respond.
No, officers definitely. I agree with you. What about the party's member of parliament who has allegedly violated the law?
They are working. We have already said that they are working like a BJP worker. Punish them. When you will punish them, I'll agree that they are not your worker. Okay. First, you have to punish them because how a house has been constructed which was illegal.
Kaushal Kant Mishra. Kaushal Kant Mishra, if the house construction was illegal, first action should be taken on those officials who allowed it to happen. Perhaps the same logic he will also extend to the electricity department. But your response to what's being stated here by the SP spokesperson?
Madhav, from Toti chori to Bijli chori, it is a culture of Samajwadi Party. Can you understand the member of parliament, one of the 542 of the Indian parliament, is involved in petty things like electricity theft, katiya maar ke bijli lena? How anybody can think? And zero bill, in spite of having multiple air conditioned, everything you have seen, shown by media only. So I don't see anything left. And I think Samajwadi Party President Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, I think he will not take any action because he has already involved in Toti Chori. So it will go on, no problem. But they will always point out finger on the others, on the system. And if they feel that system is so corrupt and his Samajwadi Party MP was so innocent, then why they are not moving to the court? Every time they rush to the court, and yesterday or day before yesterday, Supreme Court said on the illegal construction that demolition cannot be stopped for any illegal construction. So they don't have anything to say. That is why they are doing petty politics.
Okay, respond to that, Tariq Khan. You don't have anything to say, and of course he's saying that here is an example that has been said by a party chief, and therefore no action will be taken on this particular MP.
It's not good to have a FIR on an MP. It's all right what he's saying. Before 2007, there was a charges of 153 on Yogi Adityanath, 295, 506, 307. These are the dhara of IPC against Yogi Adityanath. So he must resign today. Means I'm shameful. Means my chief minister, who is currently our chief minister, had so many cases of against him. बलवा, लोगों को मारना, धमकी देना, जान से मारने की कोशिश करना, वो दीवार गिरा देना, ये इस टाइप के मुकदमे थे योगी आदित्यनाथ. I'm shameful. Means a chief minister, our chief minister, had such a track record. Means I'm shameful.
Sir, but that does not justify stealing power. Come on, Tariq Khan. Let's not. I mean, these are cases. The point is that the people have given their verdict. Does that justify stealing power?
First, suspend your worker. First, you have to suspend your worker.
No, why don't you first suspend a member of parliament?
Because they are working. Means if something wrong is happening, why you are so selective? Why all these things happening in Sambhal as well as on those areas where MP is living?
Okay, Kaushal Kant Mishra, it's only happening selectively in Sambhal.
Across the Pradesh.
Why is it happening selectively only in Sambhal? Kaushal Kant Mishra, is it a targeting of this MP?
Madhav, first of all, I need to clarify that Chief Minister is not an authority to withdraw his case by himself. It's only the court who has power to dismiss any case against anybody. So legally it is suspended, application moved by the government, and it was dismissed by the court that there is no case. So it is a legal procedure. Everybody has to follow, whether it is Chief Minister or Member of Parliament or any Samajwadi Party worker. Everybody has to follow the law. And as per law, in Sambhal, currently three things are. One, Member of Parliament is in the theft of electricity, illegal construction, and if the temple got encroached by the few people. Temple encroachment is also an illegal thing. And I just want to share, Madhav, one data. NSSO 2020 says in our country, the total number of temples is 5 lakhs as per NSSO. But the total number of masjid is 7 lakh. And the same data says that if the rate of destruction of the temple is going on, in next 100 years, the number of temple will reduce to 1 lakh and masjid will go on to the 75 lakhs. So if there is some illegal encroachment to the temple property, the temple economy is providing 3% of the GDP of the country. The only religion, Hindu religion, and temple is an institution which is providing 3% of the GDP of the country. No other religion is providing.
Let me bring it to another point. In fact, let me bring in what Yogi Adityanath has said. Yeah, let me in fact bring it to what Yogi Adityanath has said, because Yogi Adityanath is now citing, and in fact I want to bring in Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi. अगर आपने सुना होगा, बार-बार वो कह रहे हैं कि किस तरह हिंदू प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप है जिनको डेसिक्रेट किया गया है, डिस्ट्रॉय किया गया है और इस तरह डिस्प्यूट्स में है. काशी, मथुरा, इनफैक्ट संभल, भोजशाला, इन सब का उदाहरण देते हुए उन्होंने कहा है कि दे हैव बीन रिपीटेडली टारगेटेड और इस तरह की इनजस्टिस से हमें बचना चाहिए। क्या कहेंगे डॉक्टर मुमताज आलम रिजवी?
श्योर हमें जो है यकीनन इस तरह के मामलात से बचना चाहिए और जिस तरह मेरे ख्याल से जो इशू नहीं है उसे इशू बनाया जा रहा है। अगर संभल की हम बात कर लें उसे आप देख लीजिए कि संभल में 46 साल पुराना मंदिर कह रहे हैं कि साहब खोला गया है, जबकि वहां के जो मालिक हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि 2006 में मस्जिद खोला गया। और उसके बाद पूरे इशू को जिस तरह से अब उसमें पूरे एक एक चीज को यानी घर तक में चीजों को तलाश किया जा रहा है। क्या आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ मिसलीड द होल इश्यूज? तो कम से कम प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट की जो बात आप कर रहे हैं तो नहीं आप मिसलीड ये है कि 2006 में वहां के मालिक जो बता रहे हैं मंदिर को, जो अभी मंदिर मिला है वहां पे, मैं उसकी बात सबसे पहले कर लेता हूं। जो मंदिर मिला है उसको बता रहे हैं 46 साल से वो मंदिर बंद है, जबकि वो मालिक बता रहे हैं तमाम चैनलों पे वो बयान दे रहे हैं कि 2006 तक यहाँ पे पूजा पाठ होती रही है। तो आप बताइए क्या ये मिसलीड नहीं है, ये गुमराह नहीं करना है तमाम हिंदू बिरादरी को?
तो रोका क्यों गया पूजा पाठ is the question they are asking, but since you asked a question of misleading, let me get a clarification. Rohit Agarwal, if there was puja path happening till 2006, then why is it being said that these temples are being destroyed? Is a question coming from Dr. Mumtaz Azam Rizvi, if I've understood him right. Please respond to him.
I don't understand from where this opposition leaders get courage to face the debate after stealing electricity, after stealing toti, and after drawing politics on the name of religion. भाई बिजली चोरी तुम करो और खतरे में मुसलमान है ना? कितना झूठ बोलोगे आप भाई? ये 2006 वाली बात मुझे लगता है सब सिर्फ इनको जो पैनलिस्ट मुझसे पहले बोल रहे थे इनके ही कान में आके बता के गए होंगे मालिक, because I have not heard any statement from the owners. They have given the statement that many a times they have tried to put priest on the temple, but priest ran away because the atmosphere was not favorable. So why you are trying to mislead the panel and the country? Because you people have done something wrong. That's why you are trying to hide the facts. भाई मंदिर अगर वहां पे मिला है तो मंदिर कोई छुपा हुआ नहीं था। मंदिर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी द्वारा चारों तरफ से घेर लिया गया था, कब्जा कर लिया गया था, जिसको पुलिस ने दीवारों को तोड़ के खोला है। बर्ग साहब के यहां 400 रुपए का बिजली का बिल आ रहा है, क्या उनको समझ में नहीं आता है कि भाई ये जनता का पैसा है? दीज रिसोर्सेज आर ऑफ द पब्लिक, दीज आर नॉट हिज पर्सनल रिसोर्सेज व्हिच ही वाज मिस यूजिंग देम। बिजली चोरी एक सांसद कर रहा है, शर्म आनी चाहिए। तो कहिए अच्छा है शरिया का कानून नहीं लागू है, वरना चोरी में शरिया की जो सजा है वो दोनों मुझे लगता है तारिक भाई भी बता देंगे और ये दूसरे पैनलिस्ट भी बता देंगे कि चोरी की सजा क्या है शरिया में। ये तो कहिए संविधान है, इसलिए अभी तक ही इज देयर सिटिंग एंजॉयिंग। डॉक्टर रिजवी टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू नाउ।
27,000 primary school has been locked. 27,000 primary school has been locked, but you are silent. Your government is silent.
Please,
and
please ask him.
Thousands of factories has been closed.
Information on
you are not responding about that.
Madhav, please
this is the important issue. So your government is totally misleading all whole issues.
ये व्हाट्सएप का ज्ञान है जो आप दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे चैनल पे।
No.
गवर्नमेंट क्लैरिफिकेशन दे चुका है, कोई 27,000 स्कूल बंद नहीं हो रहे हैं। क्लैरिफिकेशन
आप जाकर के अखबार में देख लीजिए, बंद हो रहे हैं।
माधव, व्हाट शुड आई से? व्हाट शुड आई दे? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हिच न्यूज़पेपर ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट। ओके, गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन अ क्लैरिफिकेशन, ही डू नॉट हैव दैट इंफॉर्मेशन।
नहीं, अच्छा बेरोजगारी नहीं है।
मी दैट दिस इज नॉट अ व्हाट्सएप ज्ञान।
ओके
भाई साहब, दिस इज अ व्हाट्सएप ज्ञान।
Yeah, let me bring in Dr. Mishra now.
कोई बेरोजगार
It's
नहीं
not
है देश
WhatsApp
के
gang.
अंदर।
No. I am quoting the newspaper. I can show. I can show.
But he said there's a clarification that has come in since. Let me just bring in Dr. Kaushal Mishra. Dr. Kaushal Mishra, but all of this is happening while Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of UP, is making his speech. You have Mohan Bhagwat, who's also saying that some are using Astha to become netas. And earlier also we've seen him make a statement that don't go looking for temples under mosques everywhere in the country, because clearly the message is that this is a country that the law specifically has a Place of Worship Act as well, which cannot change, as far as the nature of a place of worship is concerned.
माधव, पहले तो मैं पूछना चाहूंगा कि कल को माधव अगर आप अपना घर बंद करके 46 साल के लिए कंट्री से बाहर चले जाओ, या तारिक भाई अपना घर बंद करके बाहर चले जाएं, या जो राजनीतिक विशेषज्ञ हैं वो अपना घर बंद के बाहर चले जाएं, तो क्या पास पड़ोसी के लोग उस पर कब्जा करके उसमें रहने लगेंगे? क्या करेंगे? अगर आप हमारे पड़ोसी हैं तो मैं आपके घर को सिक्योर करूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी आपको फोन करके बताऊंगा। ये तो नहीं करेंगे ना। या जो जितने स्कूल्स, अगर आपकी बात में मान भी लूं जो गलत है कि जितने स्कूल्स हैं, तो क्या आप उस पर कब्जा कर लोगे? आप उस पर अपना घर बना लोगे? उसको कुओं को ढक करके अपने घर का आंगन बना लोगे? ये कौन सा लॉजिक हुआ यार? कहां से लाते हो आप लोग ऐसा लॉजिक? और जहां तक रही मोहन भागवत सर संघचालक जी की बात करने की, इस समय इंडी गठबंधन, समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के नेता तो ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं जैसे वो स्वयंसेवक हो गए हैं। सर संघचालक की बात को इतना मन से मानने लगे। अरे इतना मन से मानते तो आज देश कहां से कहां पहुंच जाता, इतना करप्शन खत्म हो जाता। अगर ये सब सर संघचालक की बात मानने लगे तो देश की सारी प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हो जाए, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा।
All right, we'll have to leave it there. Dr. Kaushal Mishra, Rohit Agarwal, Tariq Khan, Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi, I'd like to thank all of you for joining us this evening. Certainly, of course, the saga of Sambhal appears to be never ending, and with survey after survey, in fact, in different parts of the city that are taking place, really all eyes on what the revelations will be from all of the findings as far as these reports are concerned. We'll have to leave it there for the moment. Thanks so much for joining us this evening.